Ma infatti Giovanni
the sun is quite blinding. Forgot to put on my guys, please, I need your advice. Like, my channel is set on not for kids, but now I want to change it, so I don't know if there is going to be any effects on my previous videos if I have to start changing all the other videos at randomly. You know, I don't want it fixed on not for kids anymore. I want it to be, if it's for kids, I will put it for kids, but if it is for children, I will put it for children. But my fears now is the fact that if I change it, I don't know if it's going to affect my previous videos. So now I have to start, because I have over 400 and something videos on my channel, and I am kind of scared that if I change my mode, I will have to start all over again to start changing all the previous videos, and that is quite a lot to do. So please, I need your advice. What do you think? Should I leave it at just only for kids, which I don't think now is favorable for me, or I should just fix it randomly? Please, I need your advice. A sister is in dilemma. So this is Princess Chief Vlog. If you are just stepping in from on my channel for the first time, today I am out here vlogging on there is a car race, old car race, not modern one, you know, and these cars are people that are wealthy here in this region that really have these cars, you know. So the rich men, they all came together, you know, to bring out their old cars, those that have American model, those that has German model, those that have, you know, any kind of model you can think of. They are all here today for this great fiesta, you know, different car as you can see. So I am trying as much as I can to make sure that children does not show on this video. So please, like I said, I really need your advice on this before I change the mode on my channel. So God bless you. Stay tuned.
Ovviamente è fatto telaio, è accoppiato a questo, che a sua volta è accoppiato a questo. Essere l'evero di BMW come il principe pure. Però sta cosa che
Alright, it is the turn of the Vespa group is about to leave. Here they are, here they are. Oh my god. This is fun, guys. Africans need to learn how to maintain things. This is ancient and modern bike and car race in Avezzano, my region, the region where I reside. Bye! Here they go. Andiamo, bye, 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 e via! Here is the first police car. I'm sorry it is dark, I cannot see, you cannot see the name, but this is the first police car, very small. You can see the road is there, Policia. The first police car. No, you know, it never reached. So here is the turn of Alfa Romeo. So this is another set. This is Alfa Romeo. They are the one about to leave now. Okay, the red one is Alfa Romeo, and then the one at the back is Benz. Then Alfa Romeo and different kind of ancient and model cars. Isn't this beautiful? This is so lovely. Wow. This is now one of the things that makes whites live longer, because once in a while they come out to bring out their old cars, do some exhibition, use it to do race, you know. It's lovely, it's beautiful. So if you have watched to this end, please subscribe, like, and if you are a lover of cars, if you know much about cars, you can also share this video. Thank you for watching. So let's keep going. Don't touch that dial. Stay tuned. If it is back home in Africa, especially in Nigeria, when you ask somebody this is an old ancient car, they will tell you, God forbid, I will never go backward, forward ever, backward never. but you people are singing Accient of Days national anthem. And yet, when you see some things good, things that will be beneficial, things we can use as tourism in Africa, we abandon, like our old Peugeot, our tortoise car. What's it called? What do we call that tortoise car? Volkswagen. You know, those Volkswagen and the rest of them. This is what they should have done with those things. People that have those things will bring them out, exhibit it, so that the new generation will see what was in vogue before their birth. Okay? But in Africa, no. Once something passes and new one comes, everybody forgets the old ones and everybody focus on new ones. But it doesn't happen like that in Europe, especially here in Italy. Italians love ancient things. They value ancient things because they were once ruled by kings. They were kingdom, and so that is why they love anything ancient. And today you wonder, what are they doing with all these cars? Are these cars still raining? Yes, it is still raining, and very, very expensive too. When I said expensive, I mean it's very, very expensive. So just stay tuned and keep watching as we keep rolling and the cars keep moving.